Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is Lady of the Throne, and I am here with your love messages and love guidance for March 16th through the 31st. And in this video, we're going to go over two things. We're going to go over your feelings toward this person that you're interested in and what are their feelings toward you. And we're going to look at the point of view, how you both perceive one another in this connection. So if you like and resonate with this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Also, I do offer extended readings if you would like to go deeper. That's when we look at the intentions between you and this person, and also some angel messages and guidance to help you along this part of your journey. Sagittarius, let's get started. So what I am getting here is that the way you feel about your love situation is that really, honestly, you're very focused at this time. I don't sense that you guys are really focused on problems within the connection. Maybe you're just focused on work or other things. You're driven right now. You're focused right now. You've got bills to pay. You've got money to be made. I think you're just focused on you or more important things. But when it comes to a connection, you guys are, I'm picking up an energy of you being a little nervous about doing something or nervous about an aspect of the connection. Some of you could be about to get married and you're very nervous about this. Others of you are trying to propose to someone. Okay. There's something that's making you a little nervous here. I'm picking that up. But others of you, you're nervous about some information being exposed, okay? I'm getting big energy about something being exposed. This could have something to do with a business deal, a contract, something legal, something private. I'm getting that. But I do feel like you guys are renegotiating contracts as well. So if it's not nervousness about something being revealed before the end of the month, then it's about you looking at some paperwork, having to sign on some dotted line here, or having to do something involving legal matters or business deals or contracts here. Okay, could be homes, could be automobiles, could be business, could be bills. All right, there's something here going on with that. Okay, some of you may have a little bit of a fear of things being revealed to a group of people about you or about your love life. Maybe you're hearing through the grapevine that people are talking about it, or there has been something that came out already and you're kind of worried about this situation. Maybe you're having to take someone to court for something. There is something like that about you feeling like there's some injustice in a situation. A lot of you are currently going through a divorce, and that's why all of this is going on. But you're just making sense of everything that's going on, and you're focused. Like, all of this has your attention. Something important has your attention. But you're still making room for love, or at least to think about this, okay? Now, let's look at your person of interest and how they are feeling. They're feeling a little different from you, Sagittarius. This person is feeling like you're kind of exaggerating the situation a little bit. Like, wait a minute, you're going a little too far with this, okay? This person thinks that you're taking something a little to the extreme in a situation, all right? Maybe it's your feelings. Maybe you're blowing something out of proportion, and you're just really in your feelings about it, and you're going really, really hard or far with this, and your person is trying to like calm you down in the situation. Or it is something where you feel that you have been wronged and your person feels like you're doing too much still, okay? So it does sound like an energy of a divorce that is happening here, or just something else that's going on. Your person is like, just chill. All right, but this person, I feel they care about you. They know that you're flawed, but this person, they're getting more self-confidence within themselves to kind of like step up and be that person that you can count on right now. I feel like this person is also flawed within this connection, so they don't see you or expect you to be perfect, whatever this is. This is someone who's self-involved though, self-assured. Okay, they can feel like that's you as well. It could go either way, vice versa. But I see this person being happy, Sagittarius, overall. Like, they're hopeful about things. They want a new beginning, okay, in their life. They want a new beginning. I heard something about celibacy. I don't know if this person is celibate, Sagittarius. Your person is practicing abstinence, or some of you feel like this person is, or maybe you feel like you should. Somebody's thinking about that because maybe the lack of sexual exchange between the two of you makes some of you feel like you're celibate because you're not physically connected with them, or maybe this is how they've been feeling. But I do sense that your person feels like it's time to bring some new energy into the relationship, into the connection, whatever this is. Even if this is just a love interest, this person is, just trying to bring in the new energy so that you guys can enjoy yourselves more. I think that that's really where it's at. Okay, keep listening. Let's look at point of view. Sagittarius, how do you see this person of interest, the person you are connecting with here or thinking about? Okay, you see this person as someone who really is trying to dig deep into the current situation. You see them as being someone who's really in their head. They're all in their head about what's happening in your connection with them. They are probably digging for secrets on you, okay? They're probably trying to find out information about you, or they're just really going so hard about whatever this is that they're focused on. Could be their work, career. It could be something legal. It could be children involved. Whatever it is, you're just like, gosh, it's his person. They're really going at it right now, and that could be how you feel. You also see that this is someone who you want to make compromises for the connection, but they're avoiding compromising. It's kind of like right now, it's my way kind of thing with this person. That's how you see them. Okay, this may not be how they feel, but this is how you see them. Okay, some of you may feel like you're just chasing your own tail right now, or they're chasing their own tail. Yeah, that's what it is. You look at them as someone who is running around in circles and not really getting anywhere. Like they're looking in the wrong direction when they should be paying more attention to you, or when they should be paying more attention to the love, to the connection. Maybe you feel like they're looking in the wrong direction when it comes to love options. This could be someone who's going through a divorce or dealing with a really tough situation in a different relationship for some of you, and you're just like, you're looking in the wrong direction. You're going to keep going through the same thing over and over and over with this same person. It could be something like that going on, but you do see this person as like, if you were to walk away, that this person they wouldn't like that. Okay, you know that this person doesn't want to lose you right now in the midst of everything that's going on. Okay, but you also see that this person is like really afraid to lose themselves as well. It's this idea that you see that this person has, that they have to keep themselves feeling young or youthful, like they try to do things to impress you, or they're starting to dress different, or it's like they're trying to keep up with some part of their youth. That's how you see them. Okay, for some of you, may not be all of you. You see this person, even though they have all of these things happening and they may be going in wrong directions that you may not agree with certain things, but you know that they're staying true to their own inner knowing. Like they know who they are. It's just that this time frame in the month of March, for the month, this time frame, you're seeing a different version of them where they're kind of like doing the most. Okay. You just don't want this person to give in to their own expectations of how they want the connection to go. You kind of want them to consider you too, okay? And I think you see this person not agreeing to anything or not saying yes to you to certain things unless they really mean it. So you see them like kind of being in a very, very business mindset, very methodical, hard to get the emotional side out of this person right now. Okay, could be dealing with another earth sign. I'm sorry, with an earth sign, a Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus person, or an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini for some of you. Okay, how does this person see you? All right, so Sagittarius, this person sees you. They see that you see them. Like they know that you're paying attention to them. They know. They know that you are watching them. They know that they probably know that you're getting readings on them, or you're watching this kind of spiritual advice to get, to know what's going on with them. They know that you've been checking for them. They know you've been on their social media, or they know you've been paying attention. Okay, they can tell you've been watching them. But not only that, but they feel seen by you in a different way. They feel seen as in like you accept them right now. Okay, it's like as much as you want to help this person avoid running into conflicts or problems, they know that you see them and they feel understood. They feel understood by you. Okay, so that's good. They also see you as being the more flexible one in the relationship. Maybe you have a more flexible schedule. You're not as busy as them. Maybe you are more flexible and open when it comes to compromising. Where they're avoiding compromising to make things work, you're open to compromising to make things work. They know that you don't need them. So I think that that's why they're kind of afraid of losing you. Okay. They see you as being a person who makes them feel grounded. You make them feel safe within their own skin. You give them plenty of room to grow as a person. They know that like how they are being right now is you're a great partner, because this connection to this person is wonderful. The way you communicate with them is so helpful, even if they don't tell you that. The way you're connecting with this person is beautiful, even if they're not telling you that. They see you as the one in the connection who is more transparent. You're honest. They can trust you. And you accept yourself fully. You don't pick at yourself or try to be a perfectionist like this person. This person is very perfectionistic, and you're not trying to be that way. It's like, let me tell you, it's like your weakness is their strength. Their strength is your weakness. That's what it is. This is a very interesting combination together. It's literally opposites attracting each other. They see you as someone who's quite compelling. Like the way you speak is compelling. You have Oscar-winning words, okay? Golden Globe words. You know what to say, Sagittarius. You know what to say to this person to keep them grounded, to make them trust, to keep them going, to make them feel attractive, to boost their confidence, their ego, whatever. You know what to say. You know what to say. And they find you quite attractive because of this. It's not so much about your looks all the time, which I do think that they find you very attractive on the outside. But what this person's really attracted to you about in March, they know that you don't look outside of yourself for approval from anyone. You're very confident. They love your confidence. They love your personality. They love the way you carry yourself. They love how you're there to be their support, but not like overpower them. You're allowing them to grow and learn. Man, this is like the student and the teacher. This is really nice energy. This is really a connection where you two, your energies work together. They work together. Definitely. So yeah, that's all I've got, you guys. This is awesome. I really love this. I really love my readings. Like, do you guys agree? If you do, hit the thumbs up button. Subscribe to the channel. I would love to do more for you. We also, again, have the extended versions of these readings. So check out the extended, guys. Like, That's when we look at the intentions. What do they really want, though? What do you want? And some guidance and messages that's going to help you guys work through these energies for the rest of the month. So I'm glad you like it. Thank you so much, guys. God bless.